From the moment Earth was born out of fire and collision, it has been wrapped in an invisible armor, an unseen guardian sculpted by the molten heart of the planet itself. Deep beneath our feet, oceans of liquid iron churn in eternal motion, generating a magnetic field that stretches far beyond Earth's surface, forming a vast, dynamic force field. For billions of years, it has protected every creature, every forest, every ocean, and every fragile attempt at civilization from the relentless fury of the cosmos. Yet humanity lived for millennia unaware of this silent defender. They gazed up at the sky, marveled at the auroras, felt the warmth of sunlight on their skin, but never comprehended the shield standing between them and the raw, unfiltered violence of the sun. The Van Allen radiation belts, massive rings of charged particles trapped by Earth's magnetic field, are the most dramatic expression of this planetary shield. They stretch outward like glowing halos, invisible to the human eye, but undeniable to those who venture into space. They serve as both barrier and warning, a reminder that space, despite its beauty, is a realm shaped by forces capable of tearing apart the unprepared. When humanity first sent instruments beyond the atmosphere, they expected silence and emptiness. Instead, they found a storm, electrons and protons swirling in high-energy currents, a cosmic river captured and held in place by the magnetic architecture of Earth. That discovery reshaped our understanding of the planet we call home. To reveal the Van Allen belts is to strip away the illusion of safety and confront the reality that Earth survives not through luck, but through physics. Without these radiation belts, the sun's charged particles would bombard the surface, scorching away the atmosphere, sterilizing the land, and tearing apart the delicate molecules upon which life depends. The Van Allen belts are not merely a scientific curiosity. They are the reason life on Earth has endured. They are the invisible fortress around which evolution unfolded, civilizations rose, and generations thrived. And yet, for all their power, they remain delicate, dynamic structures that shift with solar storms, swell during cosmic tempests, and pulse with energy as the sun breathes its magnetic breath across the void. When the first satellites pierced the upper atmosphere in the mid-20th century, the expectation was that space would be a clean, empty canvas. But the instruments aboard those early spacecraft recorded something shocking: bursts of radiation so intense that they threatened to damage the very machines designed to detect them. At first, scientists believed these spikes were malfunctions, errors, glitches, stray readings. But the data persisted, and as missions continued, it became clear that Earth was surrounded by swirling zones of radiation larger, stronger, and more complex than anyone had imagined. These zones were named the Van Allen belts, honoring the scientists who first interpreted their meaning. The discovery was humbling. It revealed that Earth's magnetic field was not a static bubble, but a living structure, flexible, reactive, and intimately connected to the sun's solar winds poured into the system like waves crashing against a cosmic shoreline, distorting, compressing, and energizing the belts. During violent solar storms, the belts grew swollen and fierce, expanding outward like a shield absorbing a barrage. At other times, they quieted, contracted, and drifted into gentler patterns. Understanding the belts meant understanding the deep relationship between Earth and its star, a relationship defined not by fragility, but by resilience. For astronauts planning to travel beyond low Earth orbit, this discovery changed everything. Space was no longer simply a frontier of distance. It became a frontier of danger. The Van Allen belts formed a barrier that had to be respected, mapped, and navigated with care. To cross them without protection would expose the human body to radiation levels that could cause sickness, genetic damage, or worse. Yet this barrier also held the promise of knowledge. By studying these belts, humanity learned to read the magnetic language of the cosmos, to predict solar storms, and to protect spacecraft and satellites from harm. The Van Allen belts were both challenge and teacher, revealing not only the nature of space, but the nature of Earth itself. To understand the Van Allen belts is to recognize that Earth sits in the midst of an ongoing cosmic battle, a perpetual struggle between the sun's radiation and the planet's magnetic protection. Every second, streams of charged particles erupt from the solar surface and race through the solar system at incredible speeds. If Earth lacked its magnetic field, these particles would strip away the atmosphere molecule by molecule, leaving the planet as barren as Mars. But Earth's magnetic field catches these particles, deflecting some, capturing others, and funneling the most energetic into the belts. This process, invisible from the surface, is a form of planetary guardianship happening continuously, without pause and without reward. The belts are not uniform rings, but turbulent, shifting seas of radiation. They expand and contract with solar activity, sometimes forming new layers that erupt like magnetic storms. They can intensify during solar flares, becoming so energized that satellites must be shut down to protect their circuitry. And during extreme events, the belts can even rearrange themselves entirely, splitting, merging, or forming new structures in the blink of a cosmic eye. Their behavior is unpredictable, their patterns complex, their power immense. Yet within this chaos lies profound beauty. The same particles that swirl in the belts can cascade down toward the poles, colliding with Earth's atmosphere to produce auroras, the shimmering curtains of green and red light that dance across polar skies. These lights are visible reminders of the invisible war occurring above us. They are the signatures of survival, proof that Earth's magnetic shield is doing its work. When humans watch the aurora, they are not witnessing a spectacle of color. They are witnessing the Earth defending life. In the grand timeline of the cosmos, the Van Allen belts are both ancient and ever new, formed billions of years ago, yet constantly reshaped by the solar winds that breathe across the solar system. They are a testament to the delicate balance between destruction and protection that defines life on Earth. Without them, humanity would not exist. Without them, oceans would evaporate, landscapes would sterilize, and the atmosphere itself would dissolve under the assault of cosmic radiation. The belts are our shield, our guardian, our silent sentinel. But understanding the belts is not just an act of scientific exploration. It is an act of gratitude. It is an acknowledgement that life is a collaboration between Earth and the universe, not a solitary accident. The belts remind us that survival is not guaranteed, but earned through the physics of a living world. And as humanity extends its reach beyond Earth, to the moon, Mars, and worlds yet imagined, the lessons of the Van Allen belts become essential. They teach us that every planet has its own protective rhythm, its own relationship with its star, its own criteria for life. In the end, the Van Allen belts reveal a truth both humbling and empowering. Earth is not merely a place we inhabit. It is a system that protects us, nurtures us, and shapes us. And the more we understand this invisible force field, the more we understand ourselves. For the Van Allen belts are not just part of Earth. They are part of what made Earth home.